Miss, wait! You forgot your purse. Oh, here we go. I'm glad I caught up to you. I don't mean to pry, but are you alright? You ran out of there pretty quickly. And your eyes look a little red. I just wanted to check. Oh, also, your purse. Sorry. Hi. I'm Delilah. Are you doing okay? Oh, I see. I'm so sorry to hear that. Is there anything I can do to help? I mean, if you want, I can walk you home. It's raining pretty hard, and you don't have an umbrella. I would let you borrow mine, of course, but I kind of need it for the sun after my shift. Excellent. Lead the way, miss. I just love the rain. It brings out one of my favorite scents. Petrichor, I believe it's called. It's an earthy smell. I wish I could just keep it in a bottle. Did you know that it comes from a bacteria? Regardless, I would love to just sit down with a good book, candles glowing, open up a bottle of that beautiful aroma, and just relax after a hard day. Not to mention the fun of going out into the woods when it rains, just to go collect some more. I have a hunch that people would absolutely sell it. For some reason, I imagine them being sold from street carts. But knowing this, it would probably be sold in beauty shops and spas and other places like that. It would be way easier to buy it from them, at least. But where's the fun in that? Compared to just going out into the woods, running through the leaves, with as many bottles as you can carry, and just capturing that beautiful aroma. Sounds like a lovely way to spend the night, if you ask me. Oh, I just thought of something. Petrichor peddlers, prancing through puddles of past precipitation to procure profits. Would you like to tell me a little bit about yourself? I can start, just to make you a bit more comfortable. Let's see. Well, my name's Delilah. Oh, wait. I think I already said that. Anyway, I work as a bartender at the Wild Spirit. My age gets a bit complicated. I know I'm 24, but I'm a bit fuzzy on how long I've been 24. I know some people keep track of it, but I don't really see the need for it myself. It still feels a bit weird to talk about it, to be honest. This is the only place that I've ever felt comfortable talking about it. And I really love it. But it does take a little while to get used to it. A lot longer than I thought it would, actually. Though, now that I think about it, it's been a year since I've moved to this city. Coming up, too. I might do something to celebrate. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a monster movie marathon. Maybe one about real scary monsters to just night folk just being people. I don't know if anybody else would appreciate the irony of watching those kinds of movies, but when I see those types of movies of night folk being treated as normal people, I just think it's the perfect way to celebrate. What about you? Seems like you know this city pretty well. Maybe you can show me around sometime? If you like. I know it's almost been 2 years, but to be fair, I've only had 8 hours where I can be out and about, and half the time, work takes up all my time. So if you think about it, I've only been here for a year in human terms. That makes no sense at all. Humans are pretty lucky sometimes. You get so much time each day to do things. Well, I'm pretty sure being human has some downsides too. I guess it's just been so long since I've been human that I've forgotten what it's like. Oh. Yeah. I can tell you're human. I'm sorry if it's rude of me to say. It's a heightened sensory thing. I can't really help noticing, but maybe it's rude to talk about. Although you could probably tell I'm a vampire, even before I pointed it out. So, I guess that's fair. What else? How about my favorite food? Well, apart from the obvious, I would have to say my favorite food would be a good steak. It's funny. Most people would secretly assume that I would love a really raw steak. Or something like that. But for the longest time growing up, I only ever had steaks well done. I'm sorry if it's getting a little annoying. I tend to talk a lot. But I think I've noticed you smiling and giggling once or twice. So I think I'm gonna count that as a win. Even if it was at me and not with me. What about you? What's your name? I feel like I should have asked that way before this conversation. Oh, that's such a beautiful name. You know, you can tell a lot about a person by their name. I'm not really sure what it says about you specifically, but I know a lot about face reading. Look at me for a second. What does your face tell me? You tend to worry a bit too much. Maybe you've been having a hard time getting to sleep lately? You're totally impressed with my skills. And sorry. I kinda just zoned out for a bit there. Did you want to keep going? You have really pretty eyes. They're still a bit red from earlier, but still very pretty. I used to hate my eye color. Just thought it was too plain and boring. But I took the time to really look at them earlier, and I realized just how complex they were, and started to appreciate it a lot more than I did. Oh, this is you then? Oh, wow. It's so beautiful. The shutters, the ivy. It's actually very much my aesthetic. I have a lot of plants in my apartment. So, technically, it's actually their apartment now. But, anyways, it's really cold outside and pretty late. You should probably go and dry off before you catch a cold. It was really lovely meeting you. And I hope you feel a bit better soon. Would it be alright if I gave you my number? It's partly because I want to check to make sure you're okay. If that's alright with you. But, yeah. Mainly it's just because I really enjoy your company. I would be really happy if I could walk with you again at some point in time. Hopefully under better circumstances. Okay. One sec. Here you go. Okay. I have kept you out in the cold long enough. I'll hopefully see you around more often. And I hope you have a wonderful night.